Okay, so my name is Adrian and welcome to the channel English with Adrian. Here to expand your vocabulary, learn more English and speak like a native Englishman. So, let's have a look then today. The present continuous tense. What is it? What is it then? So there's an action that in the past, that happened in the past that affects the present. You could also call it the recent past. The recent past. Things that happened recently that are still affected today, or things happened recently that are still happening. Or an action that took place over a time. So I have been washing. I have been washing. Washing. I've been cleaning. Cleaning the car. I have been teaching. Whew. I have been teaching all day and I am tired. I'm exhausted. I have been washing all the time. I've been washing the cat all day and the cat is annoyed. She has been waiting for me. She's been waiting for me. Oh dear, yeah. She's been waiting for me. She's been waiting for me to come home from work, for example. She has been waiting, yeah. So again, the recent past. An action in the past that affects the present. Yes. Let's keep going. Let's keep learning. So let's look at how to actually write the sentences. So we have the subject, has or have, been, verb plus ing, object. So I have been washing the car. I have been teaching English. I have been standing up for a few hours. Notice that has or have changes depending on the verb, depending on the subject really, depending on the subject. If it's I have, you have, they have, she has, it has, it has been running a lot. The cat, it has been sleeping all day. It's been sleeping all day. It has been sleeping all day. You have been learning English for a while. They have been studying English. She has no idea what she's talking about. She has been talking to someone. Yeah, someone. Yeah, someone. She has been talking, ing, to someone. We always normally add the ing to the main verb, depending on a few things. But more often than not, like as in like it could be ing or change a few vowels here and there or things like that. So change a few things around. So subject, I have been washing the car. You have been learning English. I have been teaching English. The past continuous, happening. It might be finished, might not be finished. Might still be ongoing. I have been teaching all day, and I am tired. You have been learning. You have been learning English. You have been learning to drive a car. Interesting. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. But it's interesting to understand that we use it to show an activity was in progress. It may still be happening. It might still be happening. I have been fixing the car, or I've been fixing the bathroom. I'm now tired. I've been cleaning the cat. I've been walking the dog. Maybe still happening. Maybe not. But interestingly, however, the present perfect simple is used for activity that has indeed finished. But then sharing what happened afterwards. I have been cooking. Now I can relax. Now I can relax. Relax, definitely. We have been looking at houses. We want to move soon. Want to move home. Yeah. I have eaten the pie. I've eaten the pie. Nom nom. Now the plate is empty. Nothing here. Empty. Empty. So, again, the past continuous for things that have been happening. May still be happening still, but maybe not. been fixing the car. I have been teaching all day. She has been driving all day. They have been talking. They have been talking. It has been sleeping. I have been cooking. Now I can relax. I have been teaching. Now I can relax. It has been relaxing. Now it can exercise. Yeah, opposite. Why not? Yeah, interesting. I have eaten the pie. I have written the book. Ooh, I've written the book. Now it is for sale. Interesting. Interesting, very interesting. But, however, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos. How cool is that? See you soon.